Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check out on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your eBay app. Then from over here you're going to tap on this little card icon on top right corner. Then you will find your items over here, and at the bottom you will find the option of checkout. Tap on go to checkout. Now you will find this kind of interface. My location has been added already. If you want to simply add a new location, tap on that. Tap on add new address and add a new address. Over here, tap on add at the bottom. You're good to go. And then you can also use an address from your contacts as well if you would prefer. Then over here, you're going to select a payment method, how you would like to pay. Once I've chosen, tap on set up Apple Pay. You have to choose simply a card. For me, since I do not have added any card, tap on the card, set up your Apple Pay, and then the only thing you gotta do is simply go to the preview section, check out your details and the order, tap on confirm, and there we go. Your payment has been done and your order will be placed, and that is it. That's how you can check out. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.